Hello everyone, in today's video I have come up with an exciting topic. It's a makeup tutorial. I will be doing this olive green smoky eyes and I have packed this look with nude lips. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. I will leave that link in the description box below and also my Instagram handle page, so you can follow me there also. Firstly, I'm doing my eyebrows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. First, I'm mapping my eyebrows and then I'm filling in the sparse areas and then I'm brushing it with a spoolie, and then with this yellow and green shade I mixed those two shades to get that olive smoky transition shade, and then I took another green color darker than the previous colors and then I'm just applying that on the transition area, then blending it with the previous brush. And then in the Jaclyn Hill palette I'm taking that deep dark green color to just smoke out on the outermost corner of my eyes. First I have packed that color and then blending that with the transition shades, and then for my inner eyelids I'm just applying this golden shade from the same palette. And then I'm taking this olive shimmery shade from the James Charles palette and then I'm applying that on the center of my lids. And then I'm just blending that shade with the dark shade which I used previously. And yes, our eyes are done, and then I'm moving on to my base makeup. First, I'm correcting my pigmentation using LA Girl Orange Corrector, and then I'm going for my foundation. It's a super matte and a very long lasting foundation. It's Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. And then I'm blending it with a PAC beauty blender, and then I'm taking that LA Girl concealer for my highlighting shade in the shade Warm Honey. First I'm applying that on my areas on my face wherever I want to highlight that, and then I'm taking that mahogany shade which is deeper than my skin tone, which is almost 2-3 shades deeper than my skin tone. I'm just using that as my cream contour shade. I have blended that. That's it, guys. And then I'm taking that Laura Mercier translucent powder and the beauty blender. I'm just packing that on my under eyes, like baking it on the areas wherever I have applied the concealer. And then for blush I took this Lakme lipstick in the shade Nude Myth, and then I'm just applying that on my cheeks and then I'm blending it. It is just a nude peach color which would go for any skin tone. It gives me a nice flush of color to my cheeks. And then for my powder contour I'm taking my favorite palette. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking that dark brown color as my powder contour palette, and then I'm just applying that on the areas where I have applied the cream contour. Once after doing all this, I'm just sharpening my nose using that contour. And then for highlighter I already smashed that highlighter, so this is how my highlighter palette looks. Sorry for the mess. I use it daily, so that's why it looks ugly, and it is from Nykaa Glitterity 02 highlighter. I'm just applying that highlighter on the areas where I want to get that sheen. And then moving on to under eye smokiness, I'm using this PAC coffee brown long lasting kohl pencil. I'm just applying this on my entire waterline. I'm just smoking that with the dark green shade which I used previously. And then I'm using this Faces Canada liquid eyeliner to just draw a small wing on my eyelid. And then for mascara I'm using this Rimmel London 3D Lash mascara it is just a beautiful mascara. It gives a nice, this mascara will separate each and every lash hair, and it coats every single hair on your eyelash. And then I done with Kellogg's Vanity eyelashes. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. And for lipstick, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Bittersweet. I just applied that on my entire lips, and then I'm just using this Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray from Makeup Revolutions to set my entire base and to set my face. And then I'm taking that beauty sponge to press against my skin to give that even out glow from within look. And that's it guys, this is the final look. I hope you all like this look, and I will be meeting you all in my next video. Until then, it's Tilaka signing off. Bye bye.